Hey shoppers, today we have a high-speed air dryer. It is metal, lightweight. It does come with a couple accessories. They magnetically attach to the end of the blow dryer, which is nice. You don't have to like turn and crank plastic in. This helps if you have really curly hair. Nice long cord. Right here is the buttons to operate it. So you can do a lock or unlock. You can click this button right here to make it go cold. So if you don't want hot air on your hair, you want cool air, you click that. There is a fan speed and a temperature control. These easily and nicely magnetically attach. Let's try it out. All right, so I got my young son here with soaking wet hair. We are going to blow dry his hair. I just want to point out right here is how you adjust the temperature, and right here is how you adjust the fan speed. You power it on by clicking this button right here. First, you want to make sure you are plugged in. Up here is lock, so once you put it in there, everything is locked in place. The middle one is not, it just powers it on. It's a high-speed brushless motor and fast drying. There are 4 temperatures and 3 different speeds. A really nice LED display screen on the back. It is self-cleaning and lightweight. It's made of aluminum metal.